Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's mid-morning looking forward video. It's Wednesday, March 19th. It's just after 9 o'clock a.m. West Coast, so we're looking at 11:15 or so Central. I'm going to talk about where I see the markets going from here and what's going on. Today is an interesting day. It is Fed Day, guys. The Fed numbers come out here in about 2 hours. Here in about 2 hours, they come out at 2 o'clock on the East Coast, 1 o'clock Central. But and then 30 minutes after that, you'll have Chairperson not Bernanke, sorry about that, Yellen speaking. So the rest of the day, I will be sitting on my hands. No more positions for me moving forward. It's been a very typical Fed day, guys. For the most part, we've had a nice little run up here the last couple days. Came down to near the 20s where we're looking for a bounce. Had a nice run. I talked a lot about getting above that 8-period moving average, getting above them 50s and pushing higher. That happened yesterday. Really nice, strong close yesterday. So the upside is back. Just based on this thrust that we've seen, you could see a little pause in the market like you've seen today, a little sideways action, a little choppiness, and it's a Fed day. So a lot of factors went into this morning. We knew it was going to be slow. We knew it was going to be choppy, so we traded that way in the live trading room. The only opportunity I actually had today came in the Russell. The Russell had a couple sell-offs that the S&P did not. The Russell had a couple of these nice little thrusts to the downside. I got a nice short opportunity, one short there right after the U.S. Open, right whenever it was starting to drop. Other than that, I've only gotten one trade today, and I'm going to sit on my hands the remainder of the day. So, and wait for them announcements and see what they, what the numbers come out, and see what, most importantly, what Yellen says, in her speech here today. Since she became chairperson. Every time she's pretty well talked, the markets have reacted pretty positively, to be honest. So, maybe look for some more of that. So, it seems like every time she talks, it gives the market a little bit of a little boost, I guess. So we'll see if that happens again today. But from a pure technical standpoint, let's go ahead and talk about that. I am looking for this market to stay above this 8-period moving average and continue to see a push back to the upside here. Depending on the rest of the day and how the news reacts, we're going to get a move, get a spike in the market one way or another. Let's see where it holds, and let's see where the momentum follows through after that going into tomorrow. If we're able to hold this 8 or 21 period moving average, continue to hold it and not push on through it and have a drastic sell-off, I'm going to continue to be bullish. I'm going to continue to look to buy this market. Any pullback, I'm just going to wait for a smaller time frame to start to roll over and get another buy opportunity and ultimately trade higher. If we stay above yesterday and today's trading range and start to push higher, there's absolutely nothing to stop us until we get to the previous highs. Nothing to stop us until we get to the previous highs. So from a technical standpoint, we could see a little bit of a correction, a little bit of a pullback here before actually heading higher. But if we don't, then we should be expecting to test them highs here in the next couple days here. So I'm bullish, guys, all through and through. It would take us to get down below the 50s before I even start to look for some more bearish opportunities. But until that day comes, I'm going to continue to look for upside opportunities here moving forward. I know I got one good short today in the Russell, but that was based off a sell-off. Not only that, we traded back down inside of the yesterday's trading range, so it gave us a nice opportunity in the Russell, but we haven't had that in the S&P. As you see, the S&P has just been slop and chop sideways. So moving forward, like I said, there's not a lot to talk about because it's all going to come down to what's said today in this, in this announcement and what Yellen says. So moving forward, I'm going to wait, see what happens there, and if if the news is positive, I'm looking for more opportunity to the upside. News is negative. Let's see what type of reaction it gets. If it gets a pullback and then bounces, I'm still going to be bullish. But anything basically above 50s, I'm going to continue to have a little bit of bias back to the upside. So today's video is a little bit little bit weak on the technical side of it, and more or less just kind of waiting here for this announcement and seeing what they say, and we'll react to however the reaction is. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you have any questions about anything, go ahead and email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, I would recommend being a little bit cautious going into this announcement and seeing what they say, and then going forward from there. So that's it for today. And if you don't have any questions, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good day.